Hi, today I'm ready for Realme 10 Pro Plus and I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant from power button on this device. So now just by press and hold the power key button, we just turn on or turn off, to activate the power off menu. And if you want to use the Google Assistant, by press to the power key, we should open the settings and then scroll down to the additional settings. Then click here to the power button and click press and hold power button and just switch power off menu to the Google Assistant, to the voice assistant. And now by press to the power key, we can see that the Google Assistant successfully activated. If you want to turn it off, just link the Google Assistant from power key, go back to the settings, tap to additional settings, click to the power button and tap to press and hold power button and switch voice assistant to power menu. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.